Hi guys, Happy New Year to you all. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, a big welcome to you. It's your girl Stacy here, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, guys, I am sharing my New Year's tablescape with you guys. I hope you've all had a great start to your new year, and I pray that this year will bring many blessings in abundance to each and every one of you. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I love you guys, and let's get into sharing with you guys how I created this black and gold and white tablescape for my New Year's. It was also my birthday, so I decorated my table for my birthday and my New Year's, and for my New Year's dinner as well. So I am just going ahead with a black and gold and white theme, and I've just shopped my home and decorated with what I have, and I think it turned out so beautifully. So guys, keep watching and you'll see how I went ahead to decorate my table. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed. So here is the finished product, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video might have given someone some idea, and I think it turned out so beautifully. I am loving my tablescape, and guys, if you are new to my channel, once more a big welcome to you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. I thank you all very much for watching. Thank you all for stopping in, and I appreciate and love you guys very much. Thank you all very much. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy New Year to you all.